beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while I uploaded any video on this channel, but guys, I'm back now. I've been down with sickness for a while now, so that is the reason you guys haven't been seeing any video on my channel, but now I'm better now, so I'll start uploading regularly now as I used to. So in today's video I will be doing Ghana braids. Like, I don't know, people don't do Ghana braids as they used to do before. I remember back in the days we used to do Ghana weaving, but now people do feeding cornrows, feeding braids, and I don't see much of Ghana weaving anymore. Anyway, in today's video, that is what we'll be doing, and I will be making this beautiful chunky Ghana weaving for my clients. The only issue I had doing this style is because my client tinted her hair and she wanted to use the color 1 extension, and it was really difficult for me to hide her tinted hair underneath the extension. Had it been we were doing just normal braids, it wouldn't have been an issue at all, but because we're going for cornrows, it wasn't easy at all to hide the tinted hair. The tinted hair is not even the issue, but the texture of her hair has really changed compared to the black natural, like the normal state her hair is. The texture of the tinted part of her hair is totally different from a normal natural black hair. Like, it keeps sticking out and it was looking rough. I tried my best. It still came out really nice, but at the center part of her head, the tinted hair came out a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. I just like perfection. That's just like, whenever I'm making hair, I want everything to be perfect. That's just me. Anyways, you guys will see it at the end of the day. It still came out really nice. It was looking really good, and she loved it. Like, she was thanking me despite the fact that she paid her money. Like, I really appreciate when customers appreciate your hard work. And yeah, so guys, this is me doing the Ghana braids. As you can see, I wasn't putting the hair underneath the cornrow. I was putting the extension over the cornrow that I'm making. I will still explain to you guys furthermore. So guys, this is what I'm trying to explain to you the other time. As you can see, I'm passing the hair over the cornrow that I'm making. I'm not taking it back into the cornrow. So that's the difference between Ghana weaving and the feed in braids. Yes, you put the extension over the braid, yes, or the cornrow, anyone. Yeah, so that's it, guys. And as you can see here, I'm also adding some extension to the tip of the hair because she wants it a little bit longer, so that's why I'm adding more extension to it there. So guys, I'll just let you guys watch and enjoy, and I'll come back and talk to you guys soon.
Something I need to survive, and I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in 1,000,000 wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop.
So when I started plating the other side, I forgot to put on my camera, guys. It's been a while I recorded any video because I want to explain something to you guys. If you are going to be doing a chunky Ghana weaving, so yeah, and I'll be explaining it to you now. So after prepping your hair, like parting your hair, you want to start at the front. You don't want to add extension immediately if you don't want to break your client's hair, and you want to start with small piece of extension like that, like maybe twice or 3 times, it depends on the client's hair. Then you start going bigger gradually. As you can see, I'm still at the front part of her head, but I'm adding like a big amount of extension to it like that. You want to start adding big extension like almost immediately, but not at the beginning, not at the front of her hair. Like, do you understand? Then you add big extension, then you go gradually, you reduce it again to smaller piece of extension. As you can see, like, that's just the technique, because if you want to continue adding big piece of extension, like the place that the hair is meeting will be too small for everything to come together. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, the shuku will not will not lay flat, like the ponytail will not lay flat properly. So you want to start with little piece of hair like that, little section, not little piece, oh my god, I've been saying little piece, little section of extension. Then you start adding bigger section of hair, you add the bigger sections like that. Then when you get like more than halfway, you start adding smaller sections again, so that everything will sit properly. I hope you guys understand. So I really want to appreciate you guys for checking up on me. When I wasn't uploading any video, there are so many people from YouTube that checked up on me, asking me if I was okay, and I really want to appreciate you guys, especially these two YouTubers, Priscilla Presley DIY. She's a YouTuber. You guys can go check her channel out. I will link her channel down below in the description box. And also Phunkyfied. Oh my god, these two people, Priscilla and Phunkyfied, They've been really good to me. Like, they check up on me, and I really appreciate you guys for checking up on me. There are also many of my subscribers that check up on me, and also these two people, they did followed up with my health, and I really want to appreciate that about them. So I'll put their YouTube channel link down in the description box, so you guys should please check out their channel, and also you can follow them as well. Thank you so much. The love that I've been receiving, even when I wasn't posting any video, like, I was really wowed and surprised, and I'm always feeling indebted to my subscribers, because almost every day, if not every day, I get subscribers. Like, people watch my videos and they subscribe, and they even comment, and like, I was really overwhelmed when I was down then. Like, I couldn't do any video, and I'm always feeling indebted. Like, Phunkyfied knows, she knows. Like, I'm always like, oh my god, I feel like making video, but I couldn't, because of course my health comes first. So I really want to appreciate all of my new subscribers. Like, you guys are really awesome, and I also want to appreciate my old subscribers. You guys are the real G. You guys have been keeping up with me, and I really love you all. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys. And for those of my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Welcome, you're all welcome. So when I was done with the hair, I applied some mousse and tied it down with this strip, and then I'll blow dry it, and after blow drying it, I'll take it off and put a little bit of accessory. I accessorized her hair with some hair jewelry, and yeah guys, she really loved the hair. Actually, we were inside, and I really don't like the vibe my lighting was giving me, so I asked her to come outside with me so I can make a video. I can show you guys the real outcome of the hair. And yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thank you all so much for always sticking around with me, and love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.
He's body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the oldest.